For more updates, a legal practitioner, Bolanle Olugbani, joins me on TVC News at 10. Mr. Olugbani, help us get an interpretation of this judgment. Does this settle the legitimacy of the Amewule-led House?
Well, I think that the judgment was just the soundest judgment with regards to the issue that any court of law could have given. The court of first instance, which is the High Court, had already given a judgment. The decision by the Court of Appeal is just a reaffirmation of that judgment. The provision of the law is that Section 90 of the Constitution establishes a state of House of Assembly for every state of the Federation. There is a minimum number of 24 members, maximum number of 40 members, for every state House of Assembly, depending on constituencies in the state. The quorum, the sitting quorum, is 1/3 of that number. So 1/3 of the members of duly elected members of the House of Assembly, form the number that is necessary by law to operate, the business of the House of Assembly. 3 persons acting as the House of Assembly is not only illegal, it's unlawful, it's unconstitutional, it's null and void. That's what the Court of Appeal has just said.
All right, Mr. Olugbani, but there is one more leg to go, which is the Supreme Court. Will you advise the appellant to still approach the Apex Court?
You mean whether they should bother appealing to the Supreme Court?
Yes, please.
Well, I think with the soundness of this judgment and the clear provisions of the law, an appeal to the Supreme Court would probably result in a greater upbraiding of the governor and those who are running the shenanigan that is ongoing in the legislative arm of the government of Rivers State. I think the Supreme Court may even sanction any legal practitioner that takes such an appeal, right up to the Supreme Court, for the fact that it will just amount to an exercise in futility and waste of judicial time. Penalties and costs will be awarded far above what the Court of Appeal has awarded.
And finally, let's talk a bit of politics. Where is this leading to?
Well, in simple terms, it is leading to a reconstitution or return to the status quo ante of the situation before the destruction of the physical structure of the House of Assembly. The House of Assembly, under the Speaker, that has, just been revalidated by the pronouncement of the Court of Appeal, will be the House of Assembly of Rivers State. At the end of the day, that House of Assembly will be allowed to do its job by law, and once they are allowed to constitute themselves for the purpose of doing the business of the House of Assembly, impeachment will follow.
Legal practitioner Bolanle Olugbani, thank you so much for talking to us on TVC News at 10.
Thank you.